Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by getting both devices ready. Turn Bluetooth on and confirm iOS updates so pairing uses the latest profiles. Once done, place AirPods in their case and open the lid within about 1-2 feet of your iPhone so the discovery signal is strong. Make sure you are signed into your Apple ID and have Wi-Fi or cellular active, because automatic iCloud pairing shares settings across devices. This speeds setup and syncs controls. You should see a setup animation appear on your iPhone. Tap Connect to begin, because that exchanges keys securely between devices. Make sure to follow any prompts that request microphone or device access so features like Siri and phone calls work. If the pop-up doesn't appear, press and hold the small button on the back of the case until the LED blinks white. That forces manual pairing mode. Once paired, your AirPods will configure automatically for calls, media, and you finish by confirming audio routing and control center and selecting your AirPods so sound immediately switches. Then test stereo playback, microphone quality, and Siri to verify features. Use settings Bluetooth to rename or change controls. If you run into problems, reset the AirPods. Put them in the case, hold the back button for about 15 seconds until the LED flashes amber then white. Then retry pairing. This clears cached pairings and fixes most common connectivity issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.